Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these RGB 2-pack wall sconce here. So this has like a minimalist design. This comes with a remote, a bunch of different colors, is dimmable. And let's see what we got in the package here. Pretty good size ones here. They feature just like that. So pretty long, and these are adjustable to any different pattern you want. So you could make kind of like even like a triangle on the wall if you wanted, and this shines back towards the wall instead of out facing. So that's pretty neat. And this just mounts on the wall with a screw there, and then you screw this base onto the things. And here's the plug-in there. So there's two of these. And it looks like just one, no, okay, two power adapters as well. So there is the second one. I think the cord, it's a pretty long cord here. Let's check it out. I always like to show the cord length just so people know what we're dealing with here. Okay, and that's about 6.5 feet there. And then on the cord, it also has some controls there, power button and whatnot. And then it has two plug-ins with that. There's like there. Comes with a remote, one flash, two flash, a whole bunch of different things on there. You can change the lighting, lock it, flashing, 3 flash, speeds, modes, all kinds of different things, brighter, dimmer. And then we have the manual with little installation screws and stuff like that. And that's all we have. So we can go ahead and put this up and see how it looks. Well, friends, I'm just going to be installing this, these lights right here on my headboard. So I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, super easy. And then I'm going to get my light over here. And this just has a couple little screws that's going to hold it on there. There's one there. And actually 3 screws on there. So I'm just going to unscrew those real quick. Hopefully this one works for those as well. There's one. There's 2. And, oh, come on. It's a tough angle right here. I think I got it there. No way that's still screwed in. Okay, I thought I did enough, but maybe not. There we go. My magnet's holding that really good. And then the last one right here. There's no way that's still in there, right? I just did like 300 revolutions. That is crazy that that is still in there. Okay. There we go. Okay. So that's going to reveal our base here. Just like this is how it was. Yes. So we have a couple different options here. I can just screw this in right there if I want. I think I'm going to do that then. Okay, so just run my screw right through here. And there it is, right on there like that. And now I can just attach this. Let's see. So we want our want our cord coming down. So this has an arrow on top there, and then your top one, you want this to be kind of at the top too. So it's just gonna fit right on there. And we get our little screw in there. It's probably gonna be the most difficult part, is just because that little screw is so close to the wall there. Okay, there's one. And probably the easiest way would be to just get it on there. That's super easy. Not a difficult install. If you were going to install this on your sheetrock, same thing, just drill. You could just do some sheetrock holes or sheetrock anchors, or one sheetrock anchor. And just anchor that in. Oops, I guess I could have screwed mine in a little harder, and that way I'd be able to maintain whatever form I want to there. So, but that's okay. Now, plug that in. Actually, I think I will do that. Just plug this in and plug that in there. And then I have my LEDs right there like that, and then I can put it up any way I want to. And if I wanted to, I could run this cord down behind here, down behind my, you can have the different modes. That's pretty sweet how it does that. I was like running behind there. I'll show you guys. I'll turn off the light here. Okay, I'm gonna install the other one over on the other side now. Dun, dun, dun. So that's actually looking pretty cool. And same thing with this one. Just take off these screws real quick. There's one. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's another one. And there's a third one. Okay. So take those off. Take out this screw here. And then just put this screw in right here. There, tighten that down so it doesn't turn. If I was gonna make this permanent, I'd probably put one screw in the top and one in the bottom. That way it's gonna make sure it's not gonna turn at all. This is kind of for demonstrative purposes here. But I think it's gonna look really cool once I get this other one up. And then we have the other light right here. Simply put that on there, make sure your screw is up. There's one. So this is really easy to do. Nothing too difficult here. And one more on the side. So these are pretty good looking things here. There we are. All right, and then I'll just plug this one in. It has a pretty decent sized cord. And really adds some flavor to what we got going on here. Do my cord there. Plug in my cord here. All right, I'm gonna turn off the lights here so we can get a little bit better idea of what's going on. Okay, and then we can adjust these as we see fit. Boom, any way you want, basically. You have both of them going one way, one going up, one going down. And then you can switch it up with the different things. You turn this off with a power button, turn it on. Oh, cool. So the modes on one will change the other one as well. I guess it's on a remote or something. So that's pretty cool. It's like they synced each other up. So you can change your different colors. And you can go brighter or you can go dimmer. So how dim these get? Pretty dim actually. So like just kind of like background lighting, or pretty bright. Change up our colors. Do our modes here. So that's pretty cool. I like how they sync up like that. Whew, that's nice. So this one just rotating between the colors. So that's pretty cool. Like if you're doing just different things, a lot of people like these for, I should have screwed that in a little bit more, but you can see how this would be pretty nice. If you had like a background, you're a gamer or something like that, these would be pretty sweet, just wherever. But these are pretty much fully adjustable, whichever way you want to turn them. And these are going to rotate, and you can do a lot of different things with them there. So rotate it down if you want, or just all over the place. So pretty cool there. And obviously if I screwed this in a little bit harder, I wouldn't be having any issues here with these being able to move around. So, but I like the way it looks, guys. I think it looks pretty cool. All right, then of course we have the remote as well. So we can turn those off, turn them on, turn to green, red, blue, white. Oh, wow. White's pretty cool, makes a nice little background there. And then we have all the different modes here. That mode. Tons of different colors. The breathing mode. You can change the speed so it's faster. Just all kinds of stuff here. That's cool. So really neat lights here, my friends. You can put them on wherever, basically adjust them to how you want. Whether you want them straight up or down, or you want them pointing at each other, or you could actually turn them into a little rectangle if you attach one at the bottom. Just a lot of different aspects. Really cool lighting here, my friends. The RGB lighting is pretty sweet. This remote is actually really good. I don't even have to aim it anywhere, basically specific. And like I can just aim this up at the sky here, and it changes for me. So that's really nice. Some remotes on some lights, you have to like point it right at the thing for it to work. So I'm really impressed with this remote as well. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.